Okay, most of us know how to insert a table, but we are going to learn how to draw a table. So to do that, I suggest you're going to go to Insert, and then you're going to click Table. And most of us know how to do this table, but we are going to go to Draw Table. You'll notice when you hover over the window pane that your cursor turns to a pencil. So then you're just going to draw the outer border of your table. Now I would suggest at this point that you go ahead and add some of your outline, kind of what you want your table to look like. You can always come back and change it later. So you can do that by clicking and dragging where you want your lines. You can even have some diagonal lines, and you'll notice that they're kind of locking into each other. Usually it works best if you start from a corner. Now I made this table and I don't want it there. So I'm going to go to the Table Tools Design tab and unclick Borders here. And I can go down here, I can right click and go Delete Table, and it should delete that little small table there. Now while we're on borders, right here's where you can change all of your borders. You can click different border styles if you want, and then as you go over and click on the different borders, it changes to a paintbrush. You can change those borders. You can also click all these different styles here and change them. So just be creative with it. You can change the width if you want it bigger. You can even change your pen color, of course, to purple, and make it purple. Now let's say I want to go back and add another border here. That's where I'm going to go Borders, and you're going to have to go all the way down here again to Draw Table and add another border, just like that. And there's a few more things. So let's say I decided we need to get rid of this pencil. So to do that, you're going to click on Borders again. Now let's go to our layout. So we want the title here, whatever the title is, and I want that in this center. So right here you have text alignment, and you can tell the text where you want it to be at. Another thing that's kind of neat here is if you want, under your layout tab, say we're going to type cat, you can highlight that, and you can change the text direction to make it vertical. And along with that, you can still make it in the center. You can also say I decided that I want to split these. So you can split these cells and you tell it how many columns and rows, and it will split it for you. So be creative in making your table. Don't make it just a traditional table with rows and columns. Be creative. One more thing that can help you be creative is if you go back to your Design tab, and there's a shading command. So that will fill in any cell. Keep in mind, you have to be clicked in that cell when you shade it in.